Imagine turning your passion for products into a steady stream of income. It's often seen as easy money. But did you know affiliate marketing's real strength often lies in super targeted, data-driven precision, not just broad reach?
Exactly. It's about knowing your numbers.
So today, we're doing a deep dive into exactly how savvy digital marketers are making that happen.
Yeah, our mission really is to unpack the basics, the mechanics of effective affiliate marketing.
And show how a tool you probably already use, Google Sheets, can turn raw data into, well, actual insights to optimize your campaigns.
Right. And then we'll look at how cutting edge AI is shaking things up, shaping the future of digital monetization, making it way more efficient and scalable.
We've pulled together some fascinating bits from expert articles, deep research, even chats from online communities.
All to give you a shortcut, really, to getting up to speed in this pretty dynamic field.
Okay, let's unpack this then. For marketers familiar with performance models, the basic idea of affiliate marketing is pretty clear, right? Merchant, affiliate, customer.
Hmm.
But what's the strategic edge? What makes this model uniquely powerful for revenue? And what's the first hurdle you hit?
Well, what's really interesting is how it creates this closed loop system. The data feedback is almost instant, much more than old school ads. It's performance based. Affiliates promote using special links. They own commissions when a customer clicks and does something specific, usually buys something, maybe fills out a form.
The classic win-win-win.
Exactly. Merchants get more sales with less risk upfront. Affiliates earn based on results and customers. They often find cool stuff through trusted recommendations.
Getting started sounds straightforward enough. Join a program, get a link, promote.
It is, generally. The sources we looked at really stress, though, that the real challenge isn't just getting in, it's consistently driving the right kind of traffic, targeted traffic.
And getting consistent sales from that traffic.
Precisely. It's definitely not a set it and forget it thing. It takes continuous effort, learning, adapting. You've got to stay on top of it.
Okay, so effort and strategy are key. Now here's where it gets really interesting for me. Google Sheets. Why is this, seemingly basic spreadsheet tool seen as so essential, indispensable even? Why not some fancy specialized software?
Great question. It's indispensable because it's just so fundamental for organizing and analyzing your data. That lets you optimize campaigns, collaborate if you need to, and basically make smarter decisions. It boosts efficiency, productivity, which, improves your overall performance.
Right, makes sense.
And a huge factor is saving time. Our sources point this out. Using Sheets effectively can, and I quote, reduce the time spent organizing the data as everything has been laid out in an efficient manner.
So it keeps things clear. What kind of stuff can you actually track?
Oh, loads. You get this really granular view. You can track campaign effectiveness, right down to specifics like earnings for each tweet, track subscription payments if you have those, commission payments from every single store claim.
Yeah.
A basic earnings tracker, you'd usually set up columns for, say, date of sale, affiliate partner name, products sold, generated sales, commission rate, your earnings, payment status, paid, unpaid, and maybe a notes column. That structure just helps you keep a tight grip on your financial data, really see what's happening.
Okay, so you've got the data neatly laid out in Sheets. Now, how do you make it talk? What are the practical formulas, the functions that turn these numbers into actual insights you can use?
Hey, this is where the magic happens, unlocking the power in that data. Let's start simple. Commission calculation. Easy. If a sales are in column D, rates in E, earnings are just D to E2. Simple multiplication.
Got it.
For your total earnings over a period, you'll use the SUM function, something like SUM F5.F25 to add up everything in your earnings column F from row 5 to 25.
Okay, SUM, basic stuff. What about getting more specific?
Exactly. For targeted earnings and trends, that's where SUMIF becomes your best friend. It's incredibly useful. Want to track monthly earnings? You can set up something like SUMIF date range, start date, earnings range, SUMIF date range, end date, earnings range. That isolates earnings for a specific period.
Ah, clever. So you subtract the ones after the end date.
Yep. Or say you want to track earnings just from one specific affiliate partner. You'd use SUMIF, partner name range, partner name, earnings range. Just tell it which partner name to look for.
Nice. And finding the best single sale.
Easy peasy. The max function, max E2E, will just stand down your earnings column and pull out the highest number. Quick way to see your biggest wins.
That's incredibly powerful for seeing what's really hitting home. But I bet tracking codes are a nightmare sometimes, right? Especially if they're messy or buried in long URLs.
Right.
How do marketers pull out the exact detail they need from that jumble?
Oh, absolutely. That's a common headache. And that's where functions like MED and find are, well, lifesavers. The MED function lets you grab a specific chunk of text from inside a longer string. You tell it where to start and how many characters to pull out.
Okay.
So it's perfect for isolating things like keywords or maybe demographic info like gender or age range, or even image codes hidden inside those long tracking URLs. You grab just the bit you need.
And find.
Find helps you locate where a specific piece of text starts within another string. You often use it inside the med function. So find tells MED where to begin extracting, especially if the info isn't always in the same place. For instance, if you need the keyword after KW, find, KWURLSL, gives you the starting position of KW.
Oh, I see.
Then you just add, say, 3 to that number in your med formula to skip past KW itself and grab only the actual keyword data.
Like finding the secret message spot, then cutting out just the message?
Exactly. Great analogy. And to keep your sheet clean, especially when dragging formulas down past empty rows, use the IF statement. Wrap your main formula like this. IF cell, original formula. If the trigger cell is empty, it just leaves the formula cell blank instead of showing an ugly error, keeps things tidy.
Right.
And don't forget visualization. Sheets makes it super easy to create charts, and graphs line charts for trends are great. Lets you visually spot patterns, see what's performing best at a glance.
And you mentioned automation.
Yeah, things like data validation for drop-down menus helps keep your data entry consistent. You can even automate creating affiliate link lists or set up simple automated reports. Big efficiency boosts.
So, okay, we've got affiliate marketing powered by these surprisingly robust sheet skills. How does this fit into the bigger picture? Like the whole digital marketing ecosystem and how businesses actually make money online?
Right. Affiliate marketing doesn't exist in a vacuum. It thrives alongside other strategies. Savvy marketers often mix it with things like pay-per-click advertising, PPC, paying Google or social platforms each time someone clicks your ad.
So they'd use PPC to drive traffic to their affiliate links.
Precisely. Highly qualified traffic, ideally. They pay for the click, hoping the resulting commission is higher. It's a direct performance play. Another common integration is with paid subscriptions. An affiliate might build a great blog or community, then offer premium content or access via subscription.
For that recurring income.
Exactly, that income continuity.
Yeah.
The affiliate income might fund the content, and the great content builds an audience willing to subscribe. They feed each other.
What about other methods people try? Where do they sometimes go wrong?
Well, trying too much at once is a classic mistake. Or not understanding the models, like cost per impression CPM, paying just for ads being shown. That's often more for brand awareness, maybe less ideal if your main goal is immediate affiliate conversions. It serves a different purpose.
Right.
Banner ads, lead generation, they're valid, but need different funnels, different approaches than direct affiliate selling. And donations, well, that's mostly for nonprofits. Doesn't really fit the commercial affiliate model.
So it's about choosing strategies that actually complement your affiliate efforts and your audience.
Yeah, absolutely. Don't just tick boxes. Be strategic about how the pieces fit together.
Looking ahead now, AI, it's everywhere. How is it already changing digital marketing, monetization, and what does it mean for marketers trying to, keep up?
AI's impact is huge and growing fast. Take Google AI monetization. That's basically using Google's own AI tools, Google Ads, GA4, YouTube AI, Google Cloud AI to optimize everything. Think optimizing ad spend, predicting what customers will do, scaling up operations. The benefits are pretty significant.
Like what?
Well, AI can automate complex ad campaigns. It can create these hyper-personalized experiences for customers, and it frees up human marketers to focus more on strategy, less on the grunt work.
Any examples?
Sure. We saw a case where a fashion retailer used AI-driven Google ad strategies and got a 30% bump in conversion rates. GA4 uses AI for predictive revenue insights. YouTube's AI optimizes ad placements, recommends content. Google Cloud AI tools, like chatbots, can even automate cross-selling, boosting revenue streams.
That sounds incredibly powerful. Almost like AI can just handle everything now. Does it replace the need for actual human expertise, especially for tricky technical stuff?
Well, not always. That brings us to the reality of AI and complexity. There was this really telling example from Reddit we found. This user, AgleFuture973, was really struggling, trying to use code generated by ChatGPT to track PayPal donations in GA4. Just couldn't get it to work.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and the experts chiming in, like Higgs-Brosen, basically said, look, for complex stuff like that, needing webhook setups, pushing data to the data layer, you probably still need a whole webhooks thing set up by an actual developer.
So AI helps, but it doesn't solve everything, especially custom integrations.
Exactly. Human technical expertise is still critical for those really intricate, bespoke implementations where systems need to talk to each other in complex ways.
But there's another side to this coin, right? The no-code movement.
Definitely. And that's super exciting for affiliates. The rise of no code. Take a tool like SpreadSimple. It's a brilliant example. It literally lets you create an affiliate marketing website from Google Sheets. Imagine managing your whole product catalog right there in a spreadsheet, and it just becomes your website.
No coding needed. Seriously.
None. Users were raving about it, building sites in about 30 minutes or just 3 days with zero programming background. They call it ridiculously simple, a blessing for non-techies.
What can it do?
It handles SEO settings, sorting, search, filters, categories, comes with templates. It really democratizes website building for marketers.
So technical skills are still needed for complex stuff, but no-code tools are lowering the barrier for other things.
Precisely. And it's reflected in job descriptions, too. Look at roles on big platforms like Impact.com. They explicitly ask for proficiency in Word, Excel, PPT, the basics, but also a top-level grasp of web tech like HTML, JavaScript, SQL, APIs, demonstrates the value of that practical skill mix.
Wow. What a journey we've taken from the win-win of affiliate marketing, when done right, to the unexpected power of Google Sheets for tracking and analysis using those formulas.
Right, turning data into action.
And then diving into how AI is changing the game from prediction to automation, but also seeing its limits with really complex tech issues.
And the rise of no-code tools like SpreadSimple, empowering more people.
It really hammers home that success today, whether you're an affiliate or running a business online, boils down to understanding your data.
And strategically picking the right tools for the job could be a simple spreadsheet, could be advanced AI, could be a slick no-code platform, or likely a mix of all three.
So, considering how fast AI and no-code are moving, here's something to think about. How might the actual role of the affiliate marketer evolve in the next, say, 3 to 5 years?
Yeah.
Could it shift even more away from technical implementation towards maybe strategic orchestration?
Yeah.
Creative AI-driven content generation? What new skills will really define success? That's something for all of us to ponder.